Planning your next outdoor adventure starts with choosing reliable gear that can handle every challenge. Best Camping Knife for Sale options combine sharp performance, durable construction, and comfortable handling for cooking, cutting, survival tasks, and campsite preparation, making every hiking trip, fishing journey, or weekend camping experience safer, easier, and far more enjoyable outdoors. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. GSI Outdoors Camping Knife. The GSI Outdoors Camping Knife stands out as a practical option for campers who enjoy preparing meals outdoors without carrying bulky kitchen gear. Instead of offering just a single blade, this set creates a complete outdoor cooking station with thoughtful accessories that actually make camp cooking easier. The 6-inch stainless steel chef knife feels sharp and balanced in hand, while the full-tank construction adds confidence during slicing, chopping, and food prep around the campsite. The included bamboo cutting board is surprisingly sturdy and resists moisture well during repeated outdoor use. What makes this setup especially appealing is its organized storage system. Everything fits neatly into the recycled zippered case, keeping tools secure and easy to transport during road trips, RV travel, or weekend camping adventures. For campers focused on convenience, organization, and eco-friendly materials, this outdoor cooking kit delivers dependable performance while simplifying meal preparation in the wild. Number 2. BIGCAT Roar Predator Hunter Camping Knife. The BIGCAT Roar Predator Hunter Camping Knife delivers the rugged appearance and performance many outdoor enthusiasts expect from a serious hunting and bushcraft blade. Its hand-forged 288-layer Damascus steel blade immediately grabs attention with its detailed pattern, but the knife offers more than just visual appeal. The drop-point design performs well for a wide range of outdoor tasks, including skinning game, carving wood, preparing campfire tinder, and handling food prep around camp. The blade maintains a sharp edge through repeated use, making it dependable for longer trips where constant sharpening becomes inconvenient. The walnut wood handle adds a classic look while also providing a secure grip during wet or cold conditions. Its ergonomic contouring feels natural in the hand and reduces discomfort during extended use. Combined with its premium presentation box, this model also works well as a thoughtful gift for hunters, campers, or knife collectors seeking a functional outdoor tool with a traditional handcrafted appearance. Number 3. Kizer Crest Camping Knife. The Kizer Crest camping knife offers a refined balance between premium materials, smooth operation, and everyday practicality. Built with high-end S45VN steel, the blade provides impressive edge retention and corrosion resistance, making it a dependable choice for outdoor adventures as well as daily carry tasks. The sheep's foot blade shape gives the knife excellent cutting control, especially during detailed work like carving, trimming rope, opening packages, or preparing small campsite materials. Unlike aggressive pointed blades, this design minimizes accidental punctures while maintaining slicing efficiency. One of the most satisfying features is the smooth one-handed opening system. The flipper and thumb stud combination allows quick deployment, while the frame lock keeps the blade firmly secured during use. Jimping along the spine and handle improves grip stability for more controlled cutting. With its sleek construction and dependable performance, this Kizer Crest feels equally suited for outdoor enthusiasts, collectors, and everyday users wanting a premium folding knife experience. Number 4. HX Outdoors Camping Knife. The HX Outdoors Camping Knife is designed for outdoor users who prefer a durable fixed blade tool capable of handling demanding campsite conditions. Its full tank construction immediately adds confidence during tougher jobs like cutting branches, processing firewood, or handling emergency situations. The DC53 steel blade features a titanium coating that improves resistance against scratches and corrosion, helping the knife maintain its appearance and reliability after repeated outdoor use. The blade length also feels practical for both controlled precision work and heavier cutting tasks without becoming awkward to carry. The integrated pommel adds extra versatility for emergency escape situations, making the knife feel more survival-focused than basic camping blades.
The included Kydex sheath is another useful feature, offering secure retention, drainage holes, and a dedicated fire starter slot for quick outdoor access. Lightweight yet sturdy, this knife performs well during hiking, fishing, camping, and roadside adventures. For users wanting a reliable fixed blade that balances portability with rugged performance, this model offers solid overall value.
Number 5. Spyderco Tenacious Camping Knife. The Spyderco Tenacious Camping Knife remains a popular choice among outdoor users because it combines dependable cutting performance with a practical, everyday carry design. The full flat-ground 8CR13 MOV stainless steel blade slices efficiently through rope, cardboard, food packaging, and campsite materials, while maintaining respectable durability for regular use. Its blade geometry provides smooth cutting action, making the knife feel capable during both outdoor and urban tasks. The textured G10 handle scales deliver a secure grip that feels comfortable even during prolonged use, while the skeletonized steel liners help maintain strength without making the knife unnecessarily heavy. Another feature many users appreciate is the 4-position pocket clip, which allows personalized carry options based on individual preference. Whether carried tip up, tip down, left-handed, or right-handed, the knife adapts easily to different users. Overall, the Tenacious delivers reliable, everyday utility with tactical-inspired styling, making it a versatile option for campers, hikers, and anyone seeking a dependable folding knife for daily carry. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon